Morning. So I'd like to just tell you a little bit more about our open day in a few couple of weeks' time. 1st of November in Matlock at our stockrooms. We'll be having some tables out with lots of different leathers and bargains. There'll be some discounts in store, really worthwhile. Plus, we are really thrilled to welcome and to get the amazing Kez Halliday to come and do a session with us on pyrography. Kez is a really amazing artist and she's been teaching for quite a while, and she can give you really good starting techniques to create really great effects with your pyrography. If it's not something you've tried before, it's really, really fun to do. And Kez is this would be a really good place to start with. Her art is, you can see it, I'll put the link up below. It's just really beautiful. It's amazing on leather and wood. So I think it will be a really good opportunity not to be missed. There aren't a huge amount of spaces due to the size of the venue. So if you are interested in booking, don't leave it too long. We've got a great price on it as well, £22.50. It's a great opportunity to spend time in a small class and get some really good starting tuition. So that's on the website. If you just type in the word pyrography, the class will come up, or type the word Kez, K-E-Z, you'll find that as well. So this is all November the 1st at Matlock, starting at 10 o'clock. We really look forward to seeing you, whatever you're coming for, and we'll have some exciting new leathers and some other bits of fun things going on during the day as well. So hope to see you there. Thanks so much.